Ano nga bang harmonic sequence? So, ang sequence ay dapat, ang form niya ay 1 over A sub 1, 1 over A sub 1 plus D, 1 over A sub 1 plus 2D, and so on. A sub 1 is the first term, D is the common difference, and N is the number of terms. Para mas maintindihan nyo, kung tayo example. Example 2. 1 over 3, 1 over 6, 1 over 9. So, ang harmonic sequence ay mga fractions. Napapansin nyo, 3, 6, 9, nagpo-form siya ng arithmetic sequence. So, ang harmonic sequence ay fraction kung saan yung denominator nagpo-form ng arithmetic sequence. Okay, find the 10th term of the harmonic sequence, 1/3, 1, 6, 1, 9. So, kunin natin dito yung mga denominator. Ang mga denominator niya. So, 3, 6, 9, and so on. And then, gagamitin natin yung formula ay formula ng arithmetic sequence. Ano nga ulit yung formula ng arithmetic sequence? So, ang formula ng arithmetic sequence ay x sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus d, the difference, times number of terms minus 1. Ano yung first term natin? So, first term or a sub 1 ay 3. How about the difference? So, difference, so 6 minus 3, and that is 3. And yung n. Ang ilang term ba yung hinahanap natin? Pang 10. So, 10 din. Mas hanapin na natin yung 10th term. So, x sub 10 is equal to, first term is 3, plus the difference 3. Number of terms, 10, minus 1. Okay, so that is 3 plus 3. Then 10 minus 1 is 9. 10 minus 1 is 9. Then 3 plus 3 times 9 is 27. And 27 plus 3 is 30. So, ang 10th term ay 30. Pero yan na ba yung sagot? Siyempre hindi pa. So, ang 10th term ay 1 over 30. 1 over 30 yung sagot kasi harmonic sequence siya. Siyempre, meron din tayong harmonic means. So, ito yung mga terms between two terms of a harmonic sequence. For example, insert the 3 harmonic means between 1/2 and 1 over 10. So, 3, ibig sabihin tatlo. So, may tatlong terms sa pagitan ng 1/2 at 1 over 10. So, 1/2, and then blank, 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 and 1 over 10. So, hanapin natin tatlong yun. So, kanina, ginamit natin yung formula ng arithmetic sequence para hanapin yung pang 10th term dito. Gagamitin yung formula ng arithmetic means para hanapin natin yung harmonic means. So, ano nga ba ulit yung formula ng arithmetic means? Yung formula ay a sub n is equal to first term plus the quantity of number of terms minus 1 times d. So, ano yung last term? So, 10. Kasi, ito, 1 over 10. Kunin natin yung denominator na 10. And then, first term u is 2. Itong denominator ng first term. Plus, n. So, ilan sila? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, meron tayong 5 term. Minus 1 times d. So, hindi natin alam yung difference. Yun yung muna yung hahanapin natin. So, 10 is equal to 2 plus 5 minus 1, 4. So, 4d. And then yung 2, lipat natin sa left side. So, yan ay maging 10 minus 2 is equal to 4d. Yung 10 minus 2 is 8 equals to 4 times d. And then, divide natin both sides by 4. So, makakancel na yun. So, the difference is 8 divided by 4, that is 2. So, ang common difference niya ay 2. Okay, so Ito, gawin mo nating sequence. So, 2, yung first term, di ba? Then, common difference is 2. So, 2 plus 2 is 4. And 4 plus 2 is 6. And 6 plus 2 is 8. And then, 8 plus 2 is 10. Pasok ano yung second term. So, yung second term is 1 over 4. How about the third term? 1 over 6. And for the third term is 1 over 8. So, yun lang. So, ito ang video natin para sa araw na ito. At sana nag-enjoy kayo at may bago kayo natutunan. At huwag kakalimutang mag-like, mag-share, at mag-subscribe at pinutin na rin ang notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bagong video.